Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, I brought you this story just a few hours ago. So now we hear from the horse's mouth itself. The lady speaks as guys, I bring you this. Aisha Buhari confirms story of near air mishap on way from Dubai. So, of course, the ardent followers of this channel would have already seen that story that was published, I posted just a few hours ago regarding a near plane mishap that Aisha Buhari and Hanan Buhari escaped on their way back from a shopping spree in Dubai because, of course, they had gone to Dubai, flouting the government's lockdown travel ban to go and shop for Hanan's wedding, which is coming up on the 4th of September. So again, the headline, Aisha confirms story on near air mishap on way from Dubai. So let's now hear from the lady herself. Wife of Nigeria's President Aisha Buhari on Saturday night confirmed the story of a near-air mishap she and her daughter Hanan and a few others experienced on their way back to Nigeria from Dubai, United Arab Emirates, on Friday. It had earlier been reported how a national disaster was averted after the jet Aisha and her daughter Hanan were flying in, lost control for about 10 minutes after 5 hours of flying and only 1 hour away from the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport, Abuja. The First Lady and her daughter had jetted out to Dubai to shop for important items needed ahead of Hanan's wedding, scheduled for September the 4th. In a statement on Saturday, Mrs. Buhari said, on our way back, the Nigerian Air Force flight encountered a violent clear air turbulence which was negotiated safely and professionally by the captain and crew of the flight. I want to commend and appreciate the courage and professionalism of the captain and his crew, the wonderful, gallant servicemen and women of the entire Nigerian Air Force for their dedication to duty and the quality of maintenance of its fleet. Aisha, whose visit to Dubai was disguised as a medical emergency, called on Nigerian health providers to take advantages of the federal government's initiative through the Central Bank of Guidelines for the 100 billion credit support for the healthcare sector. Now, that doesn't really read very well, but that's how it's written. According to her, this would help in building and expanding the capacity of the Nigerian health sector and ultimately reduce medical trips and tourism outside the country. So yes, the story was, of course, I wouldn't say it was broken on this channel, but the story was covered on this channel, and of course now the lady comes out to confirm it in her own words. So near miss, and as I said, thank God they are safe, because of course you don't want to wish ill on anyone. But then of course this is karma, as you would say. So there's a lockdown, and ordinary Nigerians cannot move. They cannot even go to the shops to buy food. And here is this lady here junketing to Dubai to go and do shopping for her daughter's wedding at the expense of Nigeria. So it's just a double slap. It's a two-faced slap. One, she's flouting the lockdown rules, and we all know what's been happening to these people when they do flout this rule, Abakari and all that. So one, she's flouting the lockdown rules, and then secondly, she's going to spend the Nigerian monies in Dubai, because of course these people would never spend their own money. Where would they even get the money from? What Buhari, to all intents and purposes, is a salaried man and a pensioner. So he's either getting he can't be getting a pension and a salary, but then of course you can get that in Nigeria, because you can get anything in Nigeria. But really, to all intents and purposes, Buhari, because he's a lieutenant general, that is his rank, so he's a middle ranking retired army personnel who has been on a salaried income and all his life. Is allegedly a farmer as part of his retirement plan for himself with 150 cattle. That was what he declared when he came into government. So there's no wealth there that you can see, but these people, they are living the extravagance that would be the envy of the Saudi royal family. So where is that money coming from? That money, of course, is coming from the Central Bank of Nigeria, to the point that they have no regard for the entirety of the state, because, of course, they consider it to be their personal property. Conversations in the comment section, the lady has come out to admit it was never in dispute anyway, although some knuckleheads are now on my channel now that will be coming to challenge every story. Even as this lady has confirmed it now, there will still be a knucklehead coming into the comment section to say, where's the proof? Where's the proof? The proof is in the wordings of this lady that she has posted on her own Twitter handle. And even though this confirmation has now been posted on the official verified Twitter handle of Aisha Buhari, there will still be elements on this channel, and I'm starting to notice this now a lot more. There will still be elements on this channel that will still be coming out to say, this is a made-up story, this is this and that and the other. Even if Buhari, Mrs. Buhari, even if Mrs. Buhari sits in front of these people, looks them in the eye and recounts this story in her own, with her own being, these elements will still tell her that it is not true. It boggles the mind sometimes, the sort of characters that some people are. I wouldn't normally go down this route, but I am starting to pick up these elements in the comment section slightly, that they will just make all these rather outrageous comments that just it just irritates you slightly, and you think, look, this is the link to the proof. These are all of the proofs of this story. This is who said this. This is where they said it, and this was when they said it. So you provide them with all of that, and they just still come out with some knucklehead comment that it is not true. It is from Sudan. It is, this ludicrous nonsense. Anyway, let me leave that today. That is for the comment section where conversations take place on this channel. So come join me there. But before you come join me in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Click on like as well, because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. Once you've done the clickings, come join me then in the comment section. Come tell me what you're making of this near escape that Mrs. Buhari has had on her way back from Dubai. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here, I say, peace.